Okay, let's do a quick review of the Case-Shiller data that came out on Tuesday. I'm a little late out for this report because I was babysitting on Tuesday. Normally Liz does 95% of it, but she had something to do, so I had to be in charge of the grandbaby. He's 10 months. So anyway, let's get back to real estate. Let's scroll down and just do a quick review. There's some really interesting stuff, and I added a graph you really like. This is wild. This is the house price momentum. The prices in Phoenix are increasing 26 percentage points slower the last 12 months than the previous 12 months. Oh, holy mackerel. And there's no one that is gaining momentum. Obviously, everybody's losing momentum as prices slow down. But there are some that where this is looking at the 12 month. There's some like Miami. This is up 11% from November 2021 to 11 to November 2022. Let's go down. Let me go down to the new graph. Oh my God, look at this. This is a house price appreciation over 12 months. Yeah, I think I see a trend there. Okay. Now this is looking at the full all the years that Case-Shiller has. You can you can look at let's do Phoenix as well. So you can see Phoenix is so wild the increase. Oh, that's something I was talking about the other day. Is like the what I consider was in Las Vegas. Look at these three. The way I looked at it was that Los Angeles was see it was real hot and it became a Cajun market. Las Vegas became a contagion market from Los Angeles. All these investors, they were in San Bernardino, whatever. A lot of the deal back then was you buy a new home, and then when it closes 9 months or a year later, it's then you just sell it and you make 30,000 or 50,000 or whatever. So that was the play that they were coming in and doing new homes, but then some of the new home builders didn't allow that anymore, so they were just buying stuff that tended to be in the new home areas, the newer parts of town, out on the periphery. But then they all decided to go to Las Vegas. Hey, the opportunities are gone in San Bernardino. Let's go to Las Vegas. And then they came into Phoenix. So this is why I consider that Phoenix, Las Vegas, and Phoenix were contagion markets from LA. It's kind of look like might be Boise this time or Austin. Okay, now here's the new graph, which I really like. I spent a ton of time on getting this set up because I wanted to have, you can see right here, this latest data is for November. So I mark it here for November. So you can see the red dots for all of November's. So it really shows the seasonality of the sales, which is super important. And this is going to be really the key issue. What's going to happen in the next few months is what's going to happen to price increases. Obviously, prices are down, but typically they're down in November. You see, that's the bottoms tend to be around in November. So we expect the prices are going to increase or decrease less. This line is 0%. So are they going to be like here? Are they going to peak out? So peaks tend to be like in May, June. So let's hit May. So this is the Mays. So in May, is it going to be peaking at this level here, or is it going to be lower? That's going to tell us a lot. And if it is lower, that would suggest in May, June, that suggests in the fall, it's going to go, when we get back to November next year, it's going to be down towards this level again. So the next month or two will tell us a ton about what the rest of the year is going to look like or could look like. Yeah, the Fed, who knows what the Fed's going to do? That has a big impact. And who knows what the federal government do because they've been so involved in the COVID. They do all these programs that seemed impossible before, but so they're a lot more out there, a lot more active in these economic programs. So if they see that home prices are falling, are they going to do a lot of new programs to prevent the falls? Great. Thanks for listening. And be sure and check me out on Twitter and leave comments for me there or here. I'd love to hear your comments and what you think is going on in your area. Take care.